Who made this? Big D made this. Crashing, my demons tell me to crash. Trying to see him in traffic, I just can't fashion. You know what I'm trying, she look like I get crashing. She in a wagon, spider, one out of 3 houses. Really down for the masses, now them hammers. Savage, teach them chocolate. I thought I'm getting packaged. See the way we combine. Let's talk our minds, yeah. You recognize it. It's savage. Let's talk our passion.
Where you at? What's the motive? Just tell me what's the plan and I'm rolling. I bring up a weed if you're smoking. Cut, can we turn up till the morning? Take it back to my cause I know love. I hope for the bitch and prepare for the boys I'm out here. I feel shit starts, you know.
Hey, show them again.
Yeah?
Show them again.
I would have mind, yeah. I'm 38, man. 18, yeah. Got your boom on some more.
Nothing good love will end in a minute. Love when you smile and I love when you win. I need some help in my loan and I'm thinking. Love when you smile and I love when you win.
Sometimes life's a man.
Keep knocking and I keep it still with me. Car full of niggas that kill for me. Brick no money, who's still with me. Can't remember the brick side pills in me. TBE got the game emperor. Drink, driving on the emperor. Rotate the world for the answer. She got a fuck the best friend, now I'm in the shit. Games, you wanna get into. You really gotta give you. Just can't give me. Still, niggas that kill. Pills in me. I'm a home, she don't love the bros, no way. No, my mind, love it. You, oh, man. Only on my wrist, just test the turn. Girl, for this love, will you testify? Put back a bone. I let her mesmerize. Everywhere we find her, we're finding somebody. Not just somebody. No, no. Have you ever fought head over heels for somebody that made promises to give you the world? I really hope they held you down. I really hope it was no lying, cause the heart breaks and feel like the world's gone. But if the love's real, you feel your soul roar like a lion, and you finally let bygones be bygones. Don't throw in the towel, I know it feels like you're the only one trying. You just gotta learn to live and love on. Everybody has this. Free. Sometimes I get high. You and me, for some real. Sometimes I get high. You and me, some real. It's better now. Was you lost, far from lost, lost in my fault, ain't chose, and I found my whole world turned upside down, for the better. Set me free. Sometimes I get hard. For some real. Sometimes I get hard. I need it. Some real.
One, two, three.
Who made this? Crashing, my demons tell me to crash. Got the shame in traffic, fashion. She get crashing, Spider, dynasty house, really down for their monsters. Hammer, savage, chocolate, pockets, see the women come round, lifestyle for a monster. It's savage, let's go apart. We ain't that shit, so you know we gon' cut. For my boy, you know I go do the mad.
Bad drama. Go to my street, man. I don't wanna be there. I don't wanna be in jail. I want 100 fucking million. Ron's got 2 fucking yachts. Rich gangster. I mean, richest gangster, nigga. Fly your mother, son. Like, son, nigga. Nigga, it's easy. You pull the trigger though. It's easy to pull the trigger, but it ain't easy to move your mom out the hood. That's a real man job. They ain't for suckers right there. Nigga let off a whole clip right now in the air. Shit, easy to do. You can't just wake up and move your mom no more. Real man. Let's fuck chillin' on the You're right. If I'm you, forget I'm different moms just lost their sons. When I buy it, I'm my mama's only one. Lord, I can never let them take my soul. I used to run the heat, cause the streets are fuck that, fuck the streets weren't nice for real. And believe me, your own friend will get you killed. Tell your doggy, your homie will fuck your chick. So run up for your food and shut your stick. You need it. She will cheat, she needs it. You make it. I want to she was giving brain. Get the cake. Make a chick blame Drake. I'm the same. I'm in a different place. I'm in a different place. Oh, you can see it. No life, share more life. See a nigga. This shit, niggas.
By 20, it was like you're talking to you nasty. You don't believe it, you don't see nobody making it. But I still believe I can make it through all that, so why would I listen to anybody? Where we come from, if you're not locked up and dead, you in it. Well, that's a mind game in itself, because